Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we will have a look at the where clause in your MySQL query. So you can see here that I have written a select query. Since there is no where clause, it will just give me back all the rows in the table, okay, which might not be something that you would like to have many times in your MySQL job, because there might be hundreds, thousands, even millions of rows in your table. Okay, so somehow you will have to filter out those records which you really are interested into. Okay, so in that scenario, where clause comes in. I mean, they are very handy. An effective where clause will kind of filter out all the unnecessary rows that you really are not interested into. Okay, so here we will understand how to write a where clause. So like all the queries in MySQL, where clause is very simple. So you write your query. Now you have to filter out the result set. So first we will write where. After this part is going to give me all the results, all the rows in the table. Okay, now filtering will start after that. So okay, whatever you can return from this part, I'm going to filter by writing a where clause which will be having the conditions here. Okay, so I have written select star from pet where. Then what are the conditions that I'm interested into? So right now I'm interested into all the pets which belong to one particular owner. Maybe that owner is Diane. Okay, so I write that name where I will write owner is equal to Diane. Okay, so that is this. So it will look for all the rows and where and only those rows where the owner column has a value equal to this value Diane. Only those rows will be considered for the result set. Okay, so it will kind of filter out all the other rows which do not have an owner column with this particular value. So let us run this query, and now here you can see that there are only two rows which will have the owner column with Diane value. Okay, so these are the pets who have their owner Diane. Okay, now if you want to kind of put more conditions here, then what you can do here is that you can put an AND clause and then you can write another condition. So only those rows will be returned which will satisfy all the conditions. So now here I am saying that okay, give me the list of all the pets whose owner is Diane and they belong to the species dog. So now this query will return only those rows where both the conditions are satisfied, like owner column have value equal to Diane and the species column have value equal to dog. So let us run this query, and here you can see that there is only one such row which can satisfy both the conditions. So this is the way you will write your where queries. Okay, so this is very effective, and going forward we will see a lot of where clauses. So I mean, this is something where clause is something that we most of the times use, because most of the times, almost all the time, we are not interested into getting all the rows that are there in the table. So where clause is something that you will see more often than any other query. So that was all for this video. See you guys in the next video.